friends. Okay, now for our Bible time. We are going to talk about being thankful because God tells us to be thankful and cheerful. Be cheerful with a thankful heart. So, what I have here, or who, is my husband Nick. That's Mr. Nick. Some of you guys know him from church, but this is Mr. Nick. He is my husband. He is Doug's dad. And we are going to tell you, or he's going to tell you first what he is thankful for.
I'm thankful for my wife, Jessica, and for Doug and our puppies who are right here.
Let's see if we can see our puppy dogs. See our puppy dogs? There's Macy, Daisy. Can you say hey? Daisy girl.
No.
Daisy girl doesn't want to say hey right now.
Daisy's my friend.
Daisy is your friend. Come here, Doug, and tell us what you're thankful for. We have a friend Gunner over here. He can come over here too and tell us what he is thankful for.
You guys want to come here?
While we're waiting on them, I am thankful for my family and my friends, and I'm thankful for all my friends in my class. There's Doug. Doug, what are you thankful for?
My Spider-Man shirt.
Your Spider-Man shirt? Well, that's cool. And there's Gunner. That's our neighbor. Gunner, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my family and everything I have.
That's something really awesome to be thankful for. What are you thankful for? What has God blessed you with? I know God has blessed us with our wonderful school and our family and our friends, and that God also blessed us that He gave His Son and He came down on earth and He died for us. So I want you to say a prayer of thankfulness right now and tell God, and maybe draw a picture so you can take a picture of it and show me what you're thankful for. Friends, it's Thursday and we're going to do our phonics lesson. Before we start with up here, we are going to review our sight words that we have. The best thing that I say for you to do is to make yourself some flashcards. What are flashcards, you say? Flashcards is when you get a piece of paper about this size, or sometimes maybe a little smaller, and have a grown-up write these words on them. And then you can look at the picture, look at the card. See, like this one, I'll write the word me. That's my flashcard. Me. And then I'll look at it and go, that says me. So what we're going to do now is we're going to say these together. Okay? Or I can say them, then you can say them if you want to. You ready? Me, he, she, her, I. This is a capital A and a little a, and when they're by themselves as a sight word in a sentence, it uses the short U sound as So the, is, and. So let's go through that list one more time. Me, he, she, her, I, the, is, and. And if you can already know all these words, these sight words, and you want some more to learn, just tell your mom or dad or whoever's with you, you're grown up, to let me know, and I'll get you some more to learn, okay? Okay, now look at these. Look at all these words together. What is something that all these words have? They have this has a period. So this is a sentence. We have a capital letter and a period at the end, so it's a sentence. One vowel. So what does one vowel say? Short. Let's say that. Pa, 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 Pam. How many vowels? Should we review our rules real fast? Let's do that. When there's one vowel in a word, it usually says the short sound, and we mark it with a smile. How many vowels? One. What's that blend? Ca, 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 can. Pam, can. Consonant, vowel, consonant, vowel. When there are two vowels in a word, the first vowel says it's long sound and the second one is silent. That means it doesn't say anything, so we slash it. So let's say this blend. Remember, this is a long sound. High, d, high, d, high, d, hide. Very good. And that's a period, so it stops. And remember, we talked about when we say a sentence and it has a period at the end, how we say it. Does it go up with excitement? Pam can hide. Pam can hide. Pam can hide. Pam can hide. It's telling us. Okay. Next, let's go to the next sentence. This is a sight word because remember we just reviewed it right here. The. How many vowels? 1, 2. Consonant, vowel, two vowels. So when there are two vowels in a word, the first one is this long sound, the second one is. So let's say, what is that blend? Gay, gay, Remember, we don't say anything for this E, it's silent. We've got a slash over it. Gay, game. The game. Here's another sight word is. Now look at this word. There's one vowel, so it's a short sound. And what is this, my friends? This is an exclamation point. So when we say exclamation point at the end of a sentence, how do we say it? Do we say it is the game's fun? The game's fun. Or do we say the game is fun? Exclamation point. The game is fun. Very good. Okay, next we have our last sentence. Our last sentence. So we have a consonant, a vowel, a consonant, a vowel. When there are two vowels, the first vowel says the long sound and the second one is silent. Very good. Let's say that blend. My, k. My, k. My, k. Mike. Mike. That's a sight word. Remember? Is. Okay. What is this word? There's one vowel, so is it long or short? Short. Good job. Te. Te. Ten. And look, here's a period. Mike is 10. I am so excited and happy and proud because you can read. The beginning of the year, we were just learning all of our letters and the sounds that they make. And now you can put all those letters together and you know the different rules for vowels, that they can say a long sound and a short sound. And you can read a book. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see you again so you can read a book to me. Friends, it's ready to start our math time for this Thursday. So what we're going to talk about today is we are going to do a little bit of addition like we did yesterday, but we're also going to see the bigger numbers and smaller numbers. And I have 4 groups, and we are going to look at this together, and you're going to tell me which one is. My watch just went off. We're going to tell me which number is the bigger number out of the group. Okay? All right, let's bring you a little closer because you don't need to see me, you just need to see the numbers. You ready? Okay, so let's count. We have the number, what number is this? 12, 7 and 14. Now, can anybody tell me which number is the biggest number out of all these? We know it's not 7. So what I did is I put some dots at the bottoms of the numbers in case you needed some help. So we can count the dots and you can tell me which one has the most dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if you looked at this picture, which one looks like it has more dots? This one or this one? The number 12. So you know this one's wrong. Wrong. Now we have the number 12 and number 14. Now you count the dots. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which one has the most dots? 14. 14 is the bigger number. Okay, let's look at this one. We have the number 16, 9, and 8. 16, 9, and 8. Let's start with 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That doesn't look like very many dots, does it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, 9 has more dots than 8, so we know it's not 8. Now look at 16. Does 16 have more dots than 9? It sure does. That's a bigger number. So 16 is a bigger number than 9. Let's count the dots just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 is our number. Okay, on the last one, we have the number 6, 4, and 10. 6, 4, and 10. So let's look at this number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's look at the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 doesn't seem to have many numbers, but 6 has more than 4. So we know it's not, 4 is not the largest number. Now let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This one has more dots than this one, doesn't it? So which one do you think the larger number is? 10. Very good. Great job. We've got one more set. These are all very big numbers. So we have 11, 19, and 15. This one's going to be tough. I want you to take some time and count the dots. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 dots. Now let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well, 11, 19. 19's the bigger number, so we know 19 had more dots than 11. So now let's look at this one, 15. 15 and 19, which one do you think has more dots? Which one do you think is the biggest number? All right, let's count. We already counted 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Which one has more dots? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's that number. Then 16, 17, 18, 19. So 19's the biggest number. Now, my friends, when you keep doing this more, you'll be able just to look at the numbers and you can tell. And without having to count which one's the biggest number. 12, 7, 14, you'll go 14. 16, 9, 8, you'll go 16. 6, 4, 10, 10. 11, 19, 15, 19. And then you could look at this board and I'll go, out of this board, which one is the biggest number? And you'll go 19. You'll be able to do it so fast. So amazing. Okay, Now we're going to draw a picture, so y'all bear with me. I'm going to erase my board. And we're going to do some addition. Remember that addition we've been learning about? Okay. This is a tree. Who made that tree? God made that tree. I like to go outside sometimes, and I like to listen to the trees when the wind's blowing, and you can hear the leaves, the branches. And you know what else is my favorite? I love birds. I love to go outside and hear the birds. I love to see the birds in the tree, and they're singing. And we've got a woodpecker outside, and I love to hear that woodpecker when he's working hard outside. So, but this tree is an apple tree. There's all different kinds of tree. God created so many different kinds of trees, but this one's an apple tree. So we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples that almost look like hearts. 5 apples. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples in the tree. There is 1 apple on the ground. 1. So, how many apples are there all together? How many apples are there total? Let's count. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 plus 1 on the ground equals how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. So let's write this problem out together. 5 apples in the tree plus 1 apple on the ground equals 6 apples all total. Who would like to eat 6 apples? What could you make with apples? You could make applesauce, you could make apple pie, apple cobbler, apple ice cream. I don't know about apple ice cream. Apples with peanut butter, that's really, really yummy. Okay, friends, on to our next lesson. Love you guys. Bye.